Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, today we'll be discussing question of the day. Now before we move on to the question, students, here is the description of our courses which we are providing. To enroll, you can visit our website, that is www.quantifiers.in. Students, we also have a Facebook group where regular questions are posted for your practice. You can join this group as well, for which the link is given in the description. Okay students, now let us move to the question. Please pause the video, students. Try this question and then only look at the solution. Okay, so I hope all of you must have tried it. Now let us discuss this question. So students, now before I move on to this question, let me tell you a very important concept which will be very important for this question. So let's say if there are two people, A and B, and let us say their speeds are given 15 kilometers per hour and speed of B is given, let's say 60 kilometers per hour. So students, now I'm assuming they are traveling same distance. So let's say distance is 300 kilometers. You can take any distance you want. I'm assuming it to be 300. Now, can I say time taken by A? Time taken by A will be 300 by 15, that is 20 hours. And time taken by B will be 300 by 60, that is 5 hours. अब स्टूडेंट्स यहां पर आप देख सकते हो their ratio of speeds comes out to be 15:60, that is 1:4, right? 1:4 उनकी स्पीड का रेशियो है, लेकिन अगर आप उनके टाइम का रेशियो देखोगे, रेशियो ऑफ देयर टाइम, that is 20:5, that is 20:5, which is 4:1. Now students, this is very very important when they are traveling same distance. See, important thing is कि distance जो है वो same होना चाहिए. So if distance is same, whatever is the ratio of speed, time का ratio उसके reciprocal होना चाहिए, right? जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, speed का ratio है 1:4, तो time का ratio 4:1 हो जाएगा, reciprocal हो जाएगा, right? लेकिन याद रहे distance same होना चाहिए. Okay, now let us move on to the original question. So I hope all of you have read it carefully, what is given in the question. So let's say boy starts, right? This is home from where the boy starts, and the other point is the office जहां से girl start करती है. Now students, see, it is given in the question that boy reaches here at 5 p.m. right? So boy reaches office exactly at 5 p.m. every day. ये उसका डेली का रूटीन है. But now the girl starts at 3 p.m. Girl starts at 3 p.m. and due to which they are meeting somewhere in between. So I'm assuming this point to be P. This is the point where boy and girl will meet. Or let's say this point, I'm assuming it to be B. Now students, they are saying when the boy picks up his girlfriend from point P, they are saving a total of 40 minutes. राइट? अब आपको बस ये देखना है कि 40 मिनट्स क्यों सेव हो रहे हैं, कहां से सेव हो रहे हैं. सो कहने से दिस इज द डिस्टेंस विच बॉय इज नॉट ट्रैवलिंग नाउ. ये जो डिस्टेंस मैंने हाईलाइट किया है, ये वो वाला डिस्टेंस है जो बॉय ट्रैवल नहीं कर रहा है, एंड दिस इज द रीजन ही इज सेविंग 40 मिनट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ व्हाट कैन वी इन्फर फ्रॉम हियर? यहां से हमें अब डायरेक्टली पता लग रहा है कि P to B, I'll write it here, from P to B and then from B to P, इसके लिए बॉय को 40 मिनट्स लगते होंगे. दैट इज द रीजन ही इज सेविंग 40 मिनट्स, क्योंकि अब यही डिस्टेंस वो ट्रैवल नहीं कर रहा है. सो इफ ही इज सेविंग 40 मिनट्स, दैट मीन्स ही इज टेकिंग 20 मिनट्स ईदर साइड. I hope ये point सबको clear है. Students, this is the most important point to solve this question. So students, from P to B, boy takes 20 minutes and you know boy reaches at point B at 5 p.m. तो अगर वो 5 p.m. पे point B पे पहुंचता है और P से B के लिए उसको 20 मिनट्स लगते हैं, सो डेफिनेटली वी कैन से दैट बॉय मस्ट हैव रीच्ड दिस पॉइंट P एट 4:40 PM. ठीक है, आई होप ये सबको समझ में आ गया होगा, क्योंकि 4:40 PM पे पहुंचता होगा वो, दैट इज वाई ही टेक 20 मिनट्स एंड ही रीच एट पॉइंट B एट 5 PM. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, girl started at 3 p.m. Girl started at 3 p.m. and girl also reaches here at 4:40 p.m. So इससे हमें क्या पता लग रहा है कि to travel the same distance, to travel the same distance from P to B, girl को कितना टाइम लग रहा है? Girl takes 3 p.m. till 4:40 p.m. That is 1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes. Which is equal to 100 minutes. Now students, the concept which I told you in the beginning, distance is same. Same distance के लिए, same distance from P to B, right? Boy is taking how much time? Boy is taking only 20 minutes. And students, for the same distance, girl is taking how much time? Girl is taking 100 minutes. तो मैंने आपको बताया था, if distance is same, तो जो भी स्पीड का रेशियो होगा, टाइम का रेशियो उसके रेसिप्रोकल होगा. अभी यहां पर हम टाइम का रेशियो निकाल सकते हैं. टाइम टेकन बाय बॉय टू टाइम टेकन बाय द गर्ल, दैट इज हाउ मच? 20:100, विच इज 1:5. तो उनकी स्पीड का रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा? रेसिप्रोकल. स्पीड ऑफ बॉय टू स्पीड ऑफ गर्ल विल बी हाउ मच? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1:5, that is 5:1. Students, question is almost over. It's already given in the question that speed of girl is 40 kilometers per hour. तो स्पीड ऑफ बॉय कितनी हो जाएगी? 40 into 5, that is 200 kilometers per hour. Okay students, so I hope all of you must have understood this concept. Very, very important concept and a very, very good question. Right students? You can see we solved this question without using any variable. Okay, so students, thank you for, thank you.